Welcome to Mastering Concepts. What are setters and getters methods? Setters and getters are methods used to control access to the properties of an object. They provide an additional layer of control over how you get and set values in an object. Let's break down these concepts. 1. Getter method. A getter method is a function that allows you to access the value of an object's property. It is defined using the get keyword, followed by the method name and no parameters. A getter is like a computed property. It's called when you access the property, and it can perform some logic before returning the value. Const person equals first name, John, last name, Doe, get full name. Return this. First name plus this dot last name, console.log person dot full name closing parenthesis. Calls the getter method and prints John Doe. 2. Setter method. A setter method is a function that allows you to set the value of an object's property. It is defined using the set keyword, followed by the method name and a single parameter. A setter is used to perform some validation or transformation on the value being set before assigning it to the property. Const person equals first name, John, last name, Doe. Set full name. Const parts equals full name dot split this. First name equals parts 0. This dot last name equals parts 1. Person dot full name equals Jane Smith. Calls the setter method to update the first and last names. Console.log person dot first name, prints Jane. Console.log person, last name, prints Smith. Key concepts to remember. Getters and setters are used to control access to object properties, which can help maintain data integrity and add flexibility to your code. They are defined as methods inside an object, but when you access them, you treat them like properties. Getters and setters enable you to encapsulate the internal details of an object, making it easier to modify your code without affecting external code that uses the object. Getters and setters are often used in classes, but they can also be used with regular objects. In summary, getters and setters are powerful tools for creating more controlled and maintainable objects in JavaScript. They allow you to define how properties are accessed and modified, adding an extra layer of control and flexibility to your code.